Welcome to our tutorial on writing and running your first C++ program. In this video, we'll be guiding you through the process of creating a simple C++ program. We'll be compiling it and then we'll be running it. Now, the first step in creating a C++ program is writing the code. I will be starting with a very simple Hello World program, which is a classic introductory example in programming. For this, we can start with our header file. So we can say #include, and then we can specify the name of this header file, which is iostream. Now over here, to specify a header file, we will be writing hash with a include. Now after that, we are having the less than and a greater than symbol. And between this, you basically mention the header file. Over here, we are basically using iostream, which is basically known as input-output stream. Now it is basically being used to make the compiler understand about input and output streams, which are cout and scene. Now the next thing will be that we'll be requiring our namespace. So we can specify the standard namespace for default. Now we'll be basically having the function over here, which is, we can say int main. And then we can basically have a cout over here. Now this cout statement basically help us to print anything into the console. Now cout basically has a cout. Then we have two lesser than symbol followed by a double inverted commas. And between this double inverted commas, we can write any string which we want to print. Like I can say something like hello world. And then I can have a semicolon, which will basically specify that cout end over here. Then we can basically have a return 0, which specifies that the code has successfully compiled. Now, the next thing will be that we save this code. We come over here and run this code. And upon this, we'll be getting this hello world. You can also place your name over here instead of this hello world. Something like I can say coding hub. Save this again and again press on this, and you will be getting this coding hub. So thanks for watching this video. And in our next section, we'll be understanding the syntax. What is hash include iostream? What is using namespace std? What is the main function? What is cout? What is return 0? All of this. Till then, subscribe to the channel so you stay tuned with our upcoming updates. This is Coding Hub signing off for this video.